Imagine a world where learning isn't just about PowerPoint presentations, textbooks, and lectures. Instead, it's about experiencing the world around us, where each learning intervention involves putting the needs of the users and the experiences in the focal point, where professional training emulates the real world so that when you complete your training, you are prepared for the job you've just been trained for. You know that feeling when you finally learn how to ride a bike without the training wheels. You tried, you had support, you failed, you tried again and again and again, and finally you made it. That's actually experiential learning in action, and kind of learning we would like to have across the board for professional training. It's all about getting out, trying new things, failing, but also learning something out of it. If we take, for example, different professions like a pilot, a pastry chef, or a dancer, they have nothing in common except sharing a passion for their job, yet the learning approach is quite similar. So what exactly is similar about that? All these professions require a significant amount of training about reflection, repetition, until the necessary skills and knowledge are mastered. We know that if something is very difficult, we're going to put extra effort to learn it and to master it. So the more we repeat, the more we reflect, the more we will be able to understand, and therefore we're going to learn. We can say that experiential learning is actually touching both emotion and feelings, therefore it has a direct impact on learning or knowledge retention. In today's fast-paced world, learning needs to be dynamic and engaging. That's why our goal is to create a learning environment that challenges learners to think creatively, problem solve, and develop new perspectives. One way we achieve this is through business simulations. By replicating the real-world scenarios, learners can apply their knowledge and skills in a context that closely resembles what they're going to encounter in a real workplace.